Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight to System Controls. Once done, navigate to Personalization and then Colors, because Windows separates accent choices there. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Turn that on so the taskbar can display your chosen color. Make sure you pick a color below, rather than automatic, because manual selection gives consistent visuals. This first step unlocks the actual color controls you'll adjust next. Now choose the accent color. You can use a Windows-suggested swatch, click Custom Color for an RGB or HEX value, or use recent colors for consistency. You do this because the taskbar reads the accent. Without a selected color, nothing changes. Once you pick a color, check the preview in the Settings window. This gives a live snapshot of the taskbar and Start menu. If you want a subtle look, lower saturation or pick a darker shade. This helps icons remain readable. To finish, apply the color or simply close Settings. Windows usually saves changes automatically, so you'll see the taskbar update. If the color doesn't appear, restart File Explorer from Task Manager or toggle Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar off and on. This forces a refresh. Also, make sure you're not using a high-contrast theme or an unsupported Windows edition, because those limit accent colors. If problems continue, sign out and back in to reinitialize the UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.